I'm Cindy Santa Ana, Integrative Nutritionist for the Amen Clinics and your Wellness Wednesday host. Today's topic is 20-minute meals. When your weeknights are busy and you don't have a lot of time to prepare a full dinner, these menu ideas will get you through the week powered with nutrient-dense meals. The key is to always be prepared, so shopping ahead of time is key. I always keep spices like turmeric, garlic, and ginger, cinnamon, Italian seasonings, paprika, all of these on hand so that you can add a lot of flavor to your dishes in a really short amount of time. And then when I go to the grocery store, I always keep staples on hand like carrots and onions and celery. Always have some lettuces, kale, broccoli, bok choy, maybe some Brussels sprouts, and some frozen veggies like frozen peas, cauliflower rice, and frozen broccoli. Then I always have some protein on hand, especially like canned fish, canned tuna, anchovies, sardines, wild salmon, and then I get my meat and my eggs from my local farmer. Now, 20-minute meal ideas could be a quick curry. I always keep some jarred red or green curry on hand. You can toss in some veggies, add your sauce, add a protein if you like, and it's a quick one-pot meal. And then taco bowls are really popular in my home. You can brown some ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, ground pork, and then remove to a plate. You can add a veggie like peppers and onions if you want. Put all that on some chopped lettuce, some homemade guacamole, and some salsa, and you've got a really quick 10-minute dinner. And then lentil soup, just cutting up some carrots and onions, adding in some jarred tomato sauce and some lentils makes a quick 20-minute lentil soup. You could do fried rice. I love to use frozen cauliflower rice because it cooks in 3 minutes, and you could add some frozen peas to it, some seasonings, make a well in the middle and add some scrambled eggs and stir it all up together, and you've got a quick fried rice. My house, we always love pad thai, but we'll use, instead of rice noodles, we will use kelp noodles, or you can use spaghetti squash. You can use shirataki noodles. This is a great low carb option, or you could even use zucchini noodles. Oh, which brings me to one of my favorite quick dishes is spiralizing a zucchini noodle, adding some homemade, or you can use store-bought pesto to the zucchini noodles, and then I add in, if I have some leftover cooked chicken, into this dish and maybe top it with some cherry tomatoes. That's another really fast dinner. And we can do a lot of big main salad dishes, so lots of different lettuces, a really good homemade dressing or a store-bought dressing that does not have soybean or canola oil, so check those labels, and then add in some chicken or shrimp. So big protein salads like that are really popular, and sheet pan meals. Just a bunch of roasted vegetables, toss in a protein, put it in the oven, and it all cooks at once. So these are some of the fast 20-minute meal ideas that I make in my home, and I wanted to share with you. Take care.